Okay, we've learned to use string values, text values. Now let's look at number values. And Java has different types of number values, and we're going to look into a few of them. So one of them is the integer. Most used, I think, is just a rounded number. And then we have a float, which can have 8 digits, and we can have a double, which has 16 decimal positions. Now, this example actually wants to show you what happens if you have a float with too many decimal positions. So I have here created a value 1 dot and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 decimal positions. And I've done the same with the double. And the only thing we're gonna output is some logging to show you what these values actually look like, and then do some calculations with them. And we're also introducing here the mat function, which can help you to round numbers and stuff like that. So again, let's execute this. Values.java. And we see as the output that the integer has the value 2, which is correct. The float has the value 1 and then 8 decimal positions, and the double has more. Now, as you can see, we're using the F and the D here. That will help Java to really understand which value you want to assign to these variables. And we also have this calculation here. So if we multiply this value, so if we multiply an integer value with a float value, then we indeed get a float as a result. So the integer has been converted into a float by doing this multiplication. And again, here mat round will do the same value and return it as a rounded value. Play with these numbers a bit and you will see what you can do with calculating and using number values.